KPMG Powered Enterprise for Finance, enabled by Oracle, helping transform your business for what comes next. Aging technology, new business strategies, regulatory and compliance challenges, and cost pressures. You need leading insights, vision, teamwork, and speed to stay ahead now and in the future. Introducing KPMG Powered Finance, enabled by Oracle Cloud. KPMG Powered Finance is a comprehensive approach that embeds KPMG's leading practices into Oracle Cloud applications to accelerate your finance transformation. At the heart of KPMG Powered Finance is a pre-built target operating model based on decades of KPMG experience working with organizations of varying sizes in all industries. We apply the 80-20 rule and then validate it with your organization and address your unique business requirements. You get a tested and pragmatic accelerated approach that contains the flexibility to adapt to your unique needs on an accelerated path to ROI. Let's take a look at the source-to-pay business process. The KPMG Powered Finance predefined target operating model includes the organization's service delivery model, people and their roles, functional processes, technology, information, and governance. End-user access, segregation of duties, and indirect tax settings are also incorporated into the functional processes. Taking a closer look at the organization's roles, KPMG Powered Finance includes predefined roles for your operations, corporate, and shared service center teams. The KPMG Powered Finance roles that we have defined are stored in our business process modeling template and map directly into the Oracle Cloud ERP solution. And we do the same for functional processes. For example, the source-to-pay process flow taxonomy includes sourcing, managing the vendors through the procurement function, requisition, purchase order creation, receiving the goods, processing the invoice, paying invoices, and the management of the overall source-to-pay process. As we look at the processing and approval of an invoice, KPMG Powered Finance has detailed swim lanes and roles that tie to the roles in Oracle. This process flow includes processing the invoice, validating the invoice details, and approving the invoice via workflow. For each step of the invoice approval process, we define the required tasks to be performed, whether performed by the user or within the Oracle Cloud ERP solution. The process flow is mapped directly to the KPE Oracle Cloud ERP configuration. Each process step also has associated controls and leading practices embedded. Here is an example of a control within the pre-configured Oracle Cloud ERP solution to ensure that invoices are not processed without the proper receiving of goods or services. The associated process leading practices can enable our clients to realize a better future state built on a comprehensive view of the target operating model rather than just a traditional technology-focused approach. These leading practices incorporate decades of KPMG's experience and methodology in delivering target operating models to our clients. Sample users have already been defined in KPMG Powered Finance to represent the different roles identified in the organization chart. The users will be able to execute the recommended process flow with the required controls and incorporated leading practices. Based on the previous invoice form, for example, Oracle has workflows defined to handle approval of an invoice. KPMG Powered Finance builds upon the assignees defined in the workflow to identify the rule sets. These rule sets provide guidance on leading practices related to invoice approvals. KPMG Powered Finance also accounts for processes or requirements that may vary from company to company, such as approval limits. Our solution builds in flexibility to document the requirement and make potential modifications to the process based on the 80-20 rule. All deviations from the pre-designed solution are discussed during a validation workshop, and all deviations are logged within our specialized Powered Execution Suite toolset. The deviations are aggregated and reviewed with the client to make sure we are aligned to the 80-20 fit rule. Another key feature of the target operating model is KPIs. The KPIs can enable clients to achieve continuous improvement throughout their transformation journey. For example, the KPI library for the source-to-pay process includes number of invoices processed per FTE and benchmarks for measuring staff productivity. As clients monitor KPIs, they can take action to continually improve their performance based on industry benchmark data. Leading practice KPIs often require data from multiple data sources, varying degrees of detail, and multiple visualization options. The KPMG-powered finance approach will begin with what the leading practice KPIs are for your organization, how they should be calculated, how they should be incorporated into your processes, including as predictive or prescriptive analytics, and how they should be visualized. The Supplier Risk Scorecard is an example of incorporating all of these capabilities by demonstrating how operational, financial, and location-based risk impacts critical KPIs, such as on-time delivery and total revenue. It also combines Oracle Cloud Finance data with external data sources to produce a full view of potential areas of risk mitigation. In addition, robust visualizations provide users with the ability to identify trends and predict the future path suppliers may take. The bottom line? KPMG-powered finance enabled by Oracle Cloud applications can enable faster implementations and speed to value while reducing costs and risk. As an Oracle Cloud Premier partner, KPMG has extensive experience developing solutions in the Oracle Cloud. Our teams don't just offer insights, they know how to get things done and accomplish this by focusing on understanding how your business works at every level to help you deliver results that matter. So when it comes to the future of your business, the time to act is now. KPMG Powered Enterprise. We're on your team, all the way to the finish line and beyond.